Hey, welcome back to the channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today we're going to be making some smoked shotgun shells. Now here's the ingredients that you will need. The details will be in the description box below. Now with that said, we're going to take our sausage and our cheese mixture and we're going to get that incorporated. Now we're going to add some barbecue rub. Now this is salt free, so if you would like this recipe, hit me down in the comments and I can show you how to make that. Now with that said, now we're going to stuff these Manicotti shells. Now you want to be absolutely gentle with these shells because they are fragile. You want to stuff one side until it gets halfway, and then you want to stuff the other side until you can't stuff it anymore. Now these shells will let you know when they're full because it's going to give you a little bit of resistance, and then again, don't try to force it because you will break those shells. Now that's what you're looking for. Clean those outsides up, and then you get to the front part, right? You get to wrap it with that bacon. You know I love my bacon, right? So now I'll be making these, two styles with 2 pieces of bacon, and then for my babies, we're just gonna take it with 1 piece, right? But I can go ahead and tell you from experience, when you're wrapping these bad boys, now you want to make sure that the shell is absolutely covered because the bacon and the meat inside is gonna cook these pasta shells al dente, right? Any exposed shells will be hard and crispy, and that's what you don't want, right? So when you're taking a single layer of bacon, you gotta stretch it a little bit so it can cover that manicotti shell. Now we're gonna be using barbecue sauce as a base, right? It's gonna give it a sweet, subtle, flavor, and then we're gonna add that barbecue rub back on top to give it a little bit more flavor before we put it into that smoker. Now again, this recipe is good for appetizers, man. You can pair this with some good cheesy grits, man. I did that and they are absolutely delicious. Now we're gonna place these in the smoker. We're gonna be smoking these at 250 degrees, and we're gonna take this at 1 hour and 45 minutes. So we're gonna get these bad boys situated on this grill, and then we're gonna close these bad boys up. Now after 1 hour and 45 minutes are done, we're gonna cook these for additional 10 minutes, and we're gonna crank that heat up to 300 degrees. And who says cooking isn't art, man? I'm like the Bob Ross of smoking. So we got to get these bad boys based up with that barbecue sauce so they can look good. And look at that right there. They're already looking delicious, but after we're done, they're gonna look absolutely amazing. So after you get all of them based up, close that top. And then now, here's the fun part. We're gonna give these bad boys a flip. And then we're gonna do the same exact thing. So we want that deep red color of that barbecue sauce. You see that color right there? That's what you're looking for. Now we're gonna take these for 15 minutes so this bacon can crisp up, right? And then, like I said, we're gonna be like Bob Ross on these shotgun shells. Now after 15 minutes is up, look at that right there. Doesn't that look absolutely delicious? I'm gonna let you see that. Now that's the one with the 2 pieces of bacon. Those look absolutely delicious. And look at that sun, man. That sun just makes that looks absolutely amazing. And we're gonna cut into these bad boys. Look at that color, man. That color tells you everything that you need to know. All right, so there you have it. You got your smoked shotgun shells. And I want to give a shout out to Liam. Hey, thank you so much for suggesting this video. So you already know what we got to do. We got to get us bad boy taste test. Got these shotgun shells. You see the cheese on it right there. Look at that right there. Oh yeah. Now, without further ado, here we go. Now that's absolutely fantastic. Now you already know I love my bacon. So this right here, that's definitely on point. If you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button. And if you like this video up. And for the people that's been rolling me for a while, you already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to smash into this, and we'll see you guys later.